So I'm going to show you how to do a textured technique, a skin texture technique that actually works really, really well. You layer it on top of other skin texture techniques like putting in your wrinkles and your skin pores and everything. But if you want an overall skin texture technique that layers really well and brings the whole piece together, this method works super well. So there are two steps. You're going to take a heat gun or any source of heat, and you're going to hit the surface. Hit the surface of your piece, and then what you're going to do is let it cool for just a second. Give it like 15 to 30 seconds. Then you're going to take your piece of plastic and you're going to put it on that surface that you just heated. And you're going to take your hairbrush here. Hairbrush, and you're going to heat it and then beat it. So the stippling from the hairbrush creates a realistic texture in the skin. Now this works really well for like the scalp and undetailed areas of the skin. But if you are doing, you know, like right here, I'm doing it alongside the pores and wrinkles that I made earlier, so it layers very well on more detailed parts of the face. So you can see it up here as well. It's such an excellent technique, and it's very easy. All you need is a hairbrush from your bathroom.